The 2026 Toyota Camry versus the 2026 Nissan Altima. Which sedan is a better blend of performance, features, and style? Camry has higher EPA estimated MPG ratings than Altima. Camry has more standard horsepower than Altima. Camry has comfort and convenience advantage over Altima, thanks to features like ventilated front seats, a head-up display, and a panoramic glass roof. Now, let's put Camry and Altima side by side. Camry offers 5 grades for 2026: LE, XLE, SE, XSE, and Nightshade. Altima has 4 grades: SV, SV Special Edition, SR, and SR Midnight Edition. Camry makes a stylish entrance with available 2-tone exterior colors on the XSE grade. Altima has no equivalent. The 2026 Toyota Camry offers distinct design details on the SE, XSE, and Nightshade grades. Athletic touches include a sport front mesh grille and racing-inspired front air curtains and front side canards. Nightshade brings some drama with midnight black metallic exterior accents. Drivers can also up the sporty look with a sport lower rear diffuser and single exhaust with dual chrome finish tips. Altima answers with unique design details on the SV Special Edition and blackout details on the SR Midnight Edition. Both sedans have available 19-inch alloy wheels. But where Camry opens to the outdoors with a choice of either an available power moonroof or available panoramic glass roof, Altima only offers an available power moonroof. Both vehicles center convenience with standard dual-zone climate control and available power front seats. But where Camry delivers even more comfort with available heated and ventilated front seats. On Altima, there's a heating option, but no ventilation. Though both Camry and Altima have an available heated steering wheel for those chilly mornings. Heading to the dash, Camry has an available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Altima has a standard 7-inch multifunction information display. And when it comes to leveling up driver confidence behind the wheel, Camry has an available 10-inch head-up display. There's no equivalent on Altima. And where Camry keeps those small devices powered with a standard Qi-compatible wireless charger. On Altima, that feature is only available. Camry comes standard with a Toyota Audio Multimedia System. There's a standard 8-inch touchscreen or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen. Altima also has a standard 8-inch touchscreen or available 12.3-inch touchscreen. Camry's interface includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and supported music apps. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy for users to stay connected to their Android devices and seamlessly access their favorite maps, media, and messaging apps, including Google Maps and YouTube Music, directly on the vehicle screen. On Altima, the standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility is wired. Going wireless means upgrading to the 12.3-inch touchscreen. With Camry, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Altima also offers SiriusXM trials. Select Camry grades also include trials for Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. Altima has standard Nissan Connect services trials. Both vehicles let drivers boost the listening experience with a 9-speaker system. Camry has its available JBL Premium Audio System, and Altima answers with its available Bose Premium Audio System. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard on Camry. It brings a full range of assistance features, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Altima comes standard with a Nissan Safety Shield 360, which has similar features to TSS 3.0. Camry has standard blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert and safe exit alert, while Altima has its equivalent standard blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert. Camry has available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking, and Altima answers with standard rear parking sensors and rear automatic braking mitigation. Adding to the driver's assistance features, Camry offers an available panoramic view monitor, while Altima has its available intelligent around view monitor. But Camry has available front cross traffic alert along with available lane change assist, which are both designed to help enhance safety by mitigating risks where visibility might be limited. Those features aren't available on Altima. Camry's standard 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain delivers an impressive 225 net combined horsepower on front-wheel drive grades and 232 net combined horsepower on all-wheel drive grades. Altima's standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine falls way behind, with 188 horsepower on front-wheel drive grades and 182 horsepower on all-wheel drive grades. Camry elevates the drive with standard Sport Tune suspension on SE, Nightshade, and XSE. Altima answers with standard Sport Tune suspension on its SR and SR Midnight editions. Both vehicles get added traction for varying road conditions with available all-wheel drive. Camry has available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, and Altima has available intelligent all-wheel drive. Drivers looking for more time on the road and less time at the pump will find an EPA estimated 51 mpg combined rating on Camry's LE front-wheel drive grade. Altima only has an EPA estimated 30 mpg combined rating on front-wheel drive grades. Every new Camry includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2 years unlimited mileage, 24-hour roadside assistance. Altima has Nissan Maintenance Care, which includes 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 3 years or 36,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first. Both Camry and Altima include a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first, and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, whichever comes first. And Camry includes a hybrid system warranty that covers select components for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. Camry combines awesome fuel efficiency, loads of standard features, and wraps it all up in a sleek, stylish package. Find everyday thrills at Toyota.com.